So as you can see down here, we are inside the car, and we have the wiring diagram here, and we have the conversion table drawn here for RX 4 gears. As you can see here 4 gears pin out. So these are the pin for the 4 gear, and you can see the 1A is for the battery backup full time packing, as you can see down there. And you can see here is the old socket, the 2 old sockets for the gearbox. And also here you can see the new sockets being converted. You put your wires good and you can calculate. We have our meter here, and we have our tools here which can help us to measure, and this one help us to get the diagrams. And as you can see the clock, the clock here for Mazda RX-8. We have the down switch, the up switch. The up switch is here, down here, and when you go this other side, you'll see up switch for the gear. And if you want to go down, you can use these 2 buttons. You have 2 buttons here for the down switch, and the other one here, over here, down switch. And we have the gear lever over here, the gear lever. You can see the clock for RX-8. This is the clock for the RX-8. So we are going to do the conversion for this.